Because you listened to the little kid.
Mmm.
And you said I was like this tall. Or you said I was short. Why are you laughing over here like a big old dork?
Oh!
He said I'm a dork. Man, please. Like a Muslim, Ashlar Mahan. I don't eat pork.
Damn!
Habibi, please. Ana Aki. You still look like Hamza. Go away. You're not celebrating Ramadan.
Yo!
I'll slurp you up with this straw.
No.
What's that supposed to mean?
Manny likes that.
I'll make you crawl.
Oh. Fighting for your life.
Sorry to break it to you, but you're a queer. Here's a
Oh.
napkin to wipe your tears.
Oh. Get that one ready.
I'm allergic to paper.
Yeah. You allergic to paper.
He said
Can't get no money.
black shoes, white shoes, brown shirt.
Mmm.
Blue jeans, gray jeans, black shirt.
Mmm.
Red brick. Man. Is that a stick?
Whoops.
No, look back. It's Roger being a bitch.
Oh.
That was so predictable. Read you like a book.
You're just like shit.
You're really shook.
Are you shook?
I'm standing.
A little bit.
You can't even cook.
Oh.
Ramen noodle.
Only ramen.
How you gonna survive?
I can read books.
You're not. You're just gonna die.
Oh.
Okay.
Your whole life was a lie.
Oh.
Alright, tell the truth.
I said these bitches love Sosa.
Wait, Roger.
I'll drink Manny up like some boba.
Oh. The balls.
You like balls in your mouth.
Ooh. He said he likes balls in his mouth.
I eat you out like a trout.
Oh.
I can see talent real good. I'm a good scout.
Mm.
Green grass. Please let me get a piece of that ass.
Oh.
Oh.
White shoes.
White shoes.
Got my shoes on.
White shoes.
White shoes.
Black shoes.
Black shoes.
Black shoes.
Black shoes.
Got me playing horseshoes.
Oh.
Hold on. I ain't a rapper though.
Bro. You're not a rapper though.
I ain't a rapper
He's
though.
not a rapper
I'm
though.
not a rapper.
He's not a rapper.
Not a rapper.
Listen.
I'm sorry. I feel quite dapper.
Oh.
Shout out to other people in the military. Uncle Sapper.
Oh. I don't know who that is.
I think that's Uncle Sam.
Uncle Sam. Yeah, he loves boba.
He must love Dejan.
Oh.
What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Black ball. What do you mean by
The
that?
little black balls
Ow.
Oh. Getting
in your
racist.
mouth?
That's racist.
It's racist.
No, it wasn't.
Alright,
No, I was talking about
alright.
the boba, not Dejan.
All right.
See, now you're thinking racist.
Oh.
Oh,
You're a racist now. He turned this on you.
You're probably a racist.
Oh, he's gaslighting you. He's allergic to paper.
Ethos. Pathos. Logos. Send your ass back to those logos.
Oh.
Honestly,
You could even build it if you had a block of Legos.
Oh.
honestly,
Mom, how's this go? Pathos.
Oh.
you're as worthless as a peso.
Oh.
This shit got me tight. It's making me feel un poquito loco.
Oh.
I like Reese's Puffs.
Mm.
Honestly, if we weren't beefing, you would probably be cuffed
Oh.
by me.
Oh.
He said it's over.
It's over.
He said it's over.
It is over.
Catch you round round in a black rover.
Oh.
I can rhyme like Cat in the Hat.
Mm.
One fish.
Lay your ass down like a map.
Oh.
Two fish.
Fuck Playboy Cardi. Fuck a slap.
Oh.
Now, I could rap, I could trap. Maybe I'll sit his ass on my lap.
You said Cardi's ass. Don't forget, I'm with the true Van.
Oh.
I'm with Memo Hype. I'm with Nasty Boy Michael.
It's actually rough stuff.
And I don't even know this kid. But he
I don't
joined
either.
in on the click.
Yeah.
And listen to you, all I hear is a bunch of bitch.
Go.
Hey man, fuck you, I ain't done.
He ain't done?
Oh.
Well, sure. Let's have a little fun.
Fun.
I'ma bake your ass like a fucking bun. Put my butter on it. It's my special sauce.
Mm.
What does that mean?
Please. I saw him working at Ross.
Oh.
I wasn't wasn't Ross. It was Cowboys Burgers, man. Cowboys Burgers.
You might be at a loss while you work at Ross.
Hey, man.
Just remember, you'll never know how to floss.
Oh.
You say I work at Ross.
Ross.
Didn't you play football? Didn't you get carried by Karan?
Oh.
Ron.
Where he at now? Nowhere to be found.
He's gone.
Like my dad.
Pick you up like a rebound.
I'm sorry.
Oh. I'm sorry about your father. He's probably still getting the milk now.
I hope so.
When you talk, I don't hear no sound.
Oh.
Joseph needs to
Joseph, pick the winner.
Joseph, you don't speak.
Oh.
Because when he's on live, he's the one that carries.
Mm.
You think you're a funny guy with the
Why?
10 viewers.
And why are you attacking the spectators for?
That's against.
He's a spectator, and Manny's my biggest hater.
Talking about a
And
hater.
you're a little baby, you should get catered. Hey, man, you're being my second hater.
Oh.
You talking about a hater. Man, I'm thirsty. What is there to drink?
If you got a drink.
What does he have to drink?
Haterade.
Oh.
Take a drink.
Electrolyte.
Good. I needed that.
He took a drink. Good bitch. Now, come here. Why come last time we hooked up, I have an itch?
Oh. What does that mean, Roger?
3 letters. STD. Roger, please. Don't ever get back down on your knees.
Oh.
Because when it comes to me, I ain't even me.
Are you a cholo?
Listen.
Are you an athlete?
So the winner-
Hey, are you a cholo or are you an athlete? You're saying I
It's
got
secure.
herpes, but you're the one telling me to
Get
go.
him. Okay,
that's enough.
Saying please, please.
We have Roger.
Boom, you're dead.
That's
State
a
your
fake gun.
We have state your name.
It's not real.
You're
Oh.
dead.
You're not real.
Say your
Boom,
name.
you're dead. That's why you guys both have braces.
Oh.
On phone on grave, I'll really slide.
Oh. He said Manny K.
I said Manny K. I'm the Manny killer.
Oh.
I'm the $100 biller. I said I don't drink Miller.
Oh. Only Bud Light.
Shout out the Steelers. He said
I'll drive off motorsport.
He said I ain't got no ankles. Well, that's rather fatal.
Oh shit! Go tell the people.
You're so pretty, but is your love a lie?
Do your balls hurt?
Yo, bro,
Do they really hurt?
I have a fucking fat ass. Bro, I have a fat ass rash under there, man. That shit hurts.
Did Ross tell you about his balls?
No.
He said they're like round and they came in.
Bro.
He said he can't see his balls. he looked and there was nothing.
That's what it is. Oh, that ass, my balls got so cold, they bent in, and it hurts so bad.
Bro, his balls are going.
Like, it feels better now that I'm getting warm.
Did it go in again?
Fuck no.
You didn't even go to the rock.
That's something I didn't know you could feel.
I think
I think I know why. Because your body needs to preserve your body heat, so it does anything to like push them up where your body heat is. And I think my body heat is right here, so it's like this.
Mexican filter.
POV Mexico. Mexican filter? Stop. That's dangerous.
So nothing gets in those? I need some of those then.
I need to come with tidy whities. You see my balls hanging?
They're not. You're not gonna see your balls.
I know.
No, why are you recording the whole conversation?
Tiny whities in my cockpit.
Carlos, your balls are hanging out the side.
They try to look for the sun.
It's recording. It's doing both.
Bro, Midas in there by himself. Someone go with.
Es hora de comer.
Do you want me to tell the vlog the story of the sticker?
I recorded
Yeah.
it. Tell us the story about what's going on down there.
His balls
I'll say it
are
right here.
shrinking
I'll say
into
it
his
right
butthole.
here. I say it right here. It's so cold right now. My body is so cold right now that it is pushing my balls into my stomach to preserve heat, and it hurts so bad.
You burned? Nah, bro, you good. Are you burned?
No, I'm good, bro.
Dude, no, look, I'm burned off of pre-workout.
Now you got dirty. Now you have to go back in the water.
Like a monkey. Bruh, does my hair look dumb?
Oh, you smile. In my solitude, you haunt me with
Alright, go.
revelries of days gone by. In my solitude,
Hey, Kevin said there was like a boat.
with
Do
memories
it again. There's a 490.
that
Yeah. The wrong way, bro.
I sit in my chair. I'm filled with despair. There's no one could be so sad. With gloom everywhere, I sit and I stare. I know that I'll soon go mad in my solitude. I'm afraid, dear Lord above,
Are they gonna go to the rock? Heading for his life.
send back my love. I sit in my chair, filled with despair. There's no one could be so sad.